Took a video of you.
We want to go again and be on that side.
Yeah,
We were on
for
this
sure.
side.
Both sides are pretty cool. Oh, we didn't explode. Yeah, they're just left over.
Oh my god. Holy crap.
That's one on your control.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That is awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's amazing. Oh my god, that was so good. Look at that cliff. They could not have placed that any further. Wow, you're hurting my hand. They could not have placed that any further on the cliff, could they have? This view ain't bad either. This is fun too.
I know, that's what I said we have to do.
Oh, this is awesome too. Oh my god, this is almost better.
This is why I said we had to do this side.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that view is amazing. I don't know which one I like more. You could put one of those little happy swings from Zamperla here and you would be just as terrified.
Shut up.
I
don't know if my heart can take anymore.